Hello everyone, here we are with another restoration program project. This time we have got Saint Laurent bag, shoulder bag. It's a vintage bag and it's original one. We have got some slightly scratches like here. You can see the bottom, but generally according to the age it's in very good condition. There are some scratches inside the bag. This is lamp leather. As you can see here, it's original, nice bag. I would like to try to gold plate the logo and the buckle here, and because it's in good condition I would like to restore it fully, and we'll see how it will be. Okay, there was some problem in the edges. If I can focus better, yeah, you can see there are a little bit of this black paint was gone. So this is not edge paint, I think. Oh no, it is edge paint. It's rubber. It's edge paint. That's how it looks. And I paint one side, so you can see here. Looks pretty good. And I'm going to paint the other side. Also, I need to paint all over here. The problem I have got with this bag is this stitches and this Y letters, so I need to cover them, not to paint them, because I don't want to paint and it will look ugly later on. And I try to prepare the paint. This is quite similar. The color is like brick and mixed with brown. You can see I used brick, but it is a bit reddish, so I need to add more brown and prepare the paint and apply on it. And let's see how it looks like after painting. I don't use airbrush, I use sponge for painting. Depends to the size. Little sponge. I'm more happy with sponge because airbrush takes lots of time and cleaning the airbrush, blah blah. So let's paint it, and I will take another video after I paint. Okay, here is how I apply edge paint on leather. For such a projects, don't use a lot of paint, otherwise it will leak on the main leather, the surface. So I painted up to here, from here. You can see here must have nice line, very straight. If there is some leakage, you can just take it with your fingertip and clean it up before you start again, otherwise you will touch other place with the paint and mess it up. You can give some angle to cover the edge properly. Can use some more edge paint in places that are damaged and give it more life and more strength for future. Okay, the painting is finished. You see scratches are covered by new paint, and the paint is almost the same paint as before. And I try to paint inside as well in chocolate color. As you can see, but there are some scratches inside, so it's not very important. Edges are fine inside. Underneath the back looks nice. Everything looks nice now and ready to go. And please comment below if you have any idea, and subscribe. Ronin. You can find me on Instagram also, Ronin London. If you have any idea, if you have any job to do, any order, I accept. You can post it to me. I can repair and post it back to you. Thanks for watching, and see you next time in the next project. Thank you.